In this video, we are going to see how to check the SANNAV serial number, the SANNAV version, and the type of license used and the expiry date of the license. So first, let's log into the SANNAV portal with the username and the password. So this is the screen we get once we log into the SANNAV dashboard. First, let's check with what is the SANNAV version. So you can see a user symbol here. Once you click on that, you'll have About SANNAV. So this will give us the version of the SANNAV. Okay. Next, we can see how to check the SANNAV serial number. So click on SANNAV and click on Services and go to SANNAV Licensing. This will display you the serial number of the SANNAV which is in use and the type of license which is used. If you are using a trial license, it will list as trial instead enterprise here. And the status, if it is active or inactive, and what is a supported port count for that particular license which is used, and what is the currently managed port count on the SANNAV, and the expiry date of the license which is there on the SANNAV will be listed here. So this is how you will check the SANNAV licensing details and the serial number of the SANNAV.